I'm working on what I'm calling handmade lace, and I'm working on water-soluble fabric and making lots and lots of marks. When the fabric is washed away, I'll just be left with thread. So I'm working on the idea that there are a lot of people telling us things in the world like you're safe and things are okay, and a lot of platitudes. And so I'm working with imagery of scary things like planes and drones and bombs, and yet I'm trying to put them in a form that shows how we hide how dangerous some of this stuff is in the sky and in our lives. I picked the idea of making lace because it's so domestic and it's so recognizable, and it's sort of a fake. You know, you think you're just looking at a doily, and then you realize you're looking at drones and airplanes, and the lace is sort of the cover. I think working with textiles in general, people have a visceral memory of holding it and touching it, and also in the home, and even there's this idea of domesticity in home, and then things going on around us that we have no control over. Yeah, this was in a show in Australia, in Melbourne, and it's a show called, it's an installation called Pay Attention. And I wanted it to have, again, that faux kind of safety, childlike look of this domestic scene with sheep and people singing and crossing bridges with buckets of water, which is kind of covering up the fact, or camouflaging the fact, that there's a lot going on above that we're not really paying attention to.